Good morning, first grade. It's Miss Austin, and it's a super exciting day because we are entering into a brand new month of the year, and that month is October. And today, since it's the first day of October, it is October 1st, 2020. It is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow is going to be Friday. Anyways, super exciting. Today is the 10th month, first day of the year 2020. Just a few things I want to remind you of is our sight words for this week. So our sight words are look, you, was, by, and are. These are the words that we are supposed to be starting to remember by sight, just by looking at them. We don't even have to sound them out. Okay, and also I wanted to remind you, boys and girls, of your spelling words. So your spelling words have that ah sound. We have not, got, pot, caught, you, sight word, look, sight word, was, sight word, by, sight word, are, sight word, and the word like. And what I want you to do today, boys and girls, is on a piece of paper, I want you to write your spelling words in different colors and take a picture and turn it in. You only need to write your spelling words 3 times in a row. So I would write not, not, not. And I could use different colors. It's up to you. But you will find all of your assignments here in Google Classroom. I need to put in our picture of our spelling words, and then also we're going to have a PathPlacer assignment for today, okay, boys and girls? I'm so sorry I can't meet with you today, but I am going to be working on getting the classroom ready for those of you who have chosen to come in person. So that is what Miss Austin is doing today. I will be here. If you have a question, comment, anything, you can text me, call me. I will be here for you guys, but your work is going to show up here as I put it into our Google Classroom. All right, have a wonderful day. Love you guys, and do awesome.